Ulsa will be completed by bringing down the flag which hosted on the first day. That is the Devas flag. That will be hosted on the first day and we will bring down on the last day. So with that, Ulsa, this year's Ulsa will be celebrated. Actually, this we are taking through Vasco city. For the belief that the God is giving blessings to the entire people living in the surrounding areas and the Vasco city whole area. That is the main thing. That is why going through the cities once in a year only. That is on the last day of the Ulsa.
आज जेन्ना सांगात जाता तेन्ना खुबशे तेंचे समाजाचे लोक आणि आमचे सगळे वास्कोकार, कित्याक आमकां दिसता ह्यो वास्कोकारांचो एक उत्सव म्हणून, आनी वास्कोचे लोक ह्या उत्सवान खूब वांटेकार जाता आनी भायल्या बिचींतल्यान अय्यप्पा देवळा पर्यंत चलत सगळीं जाणां हातीन ती उली घेवन वयता.